guys, welcome back to our channel. And today we are talking about a milestone that separates security professionals from security leaders. And I have got someone who just crossed this line. Shivesh, many congratulations on passing CISSP and most welcome to the call.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for the invitation, and thank you so much for the wishes. Thank you.
So, would you like to introduce yourself to the audience and share your experience? How was your overall experience with CST 3.0 and how did you find the mentorship of Manoj Sharma? Please go ahead and share your experience.
Sure, ma'am. Thank you. So I joined Cybernous because of my sister. So basically, my sibling, she already had clear CSSP from the same platform using Manoj sir's guidance. So me back in 2023 when she cleared it. So she
Neha.
mentioned me that Neha
Neha
Agrawal,
Agrawal. Yes. Yeah.
yes. She mentioned me that go ahead, take the training, mentorship of Manoj sir, and you will nail it. So from
Mhm.
that, I got the motivation, and I just took this blindly because I had this faith because I've seen my sister who cleared it. So
Mhm.
based on that judgment, I just went on and I subscribed to the Cybernos training. And I think that was the very right decision I took. Like today, we are sitting here and talking because of it. So that was very fruitful. And then the training provided by Cybernos, I think it was really, really great because I can see that they had a planned curriculum for every day. And Manoj's background, I respect him a lot because he is from an Air Force background. So I knew that he is a very disciplined guy. So every day's discipline is mandatory. So he made sure that every day's task is given to me and it was completed on time because he kept following up. So people had this fear that Manoj sir will ask this. Okay, I had to complete this. So every day the notes, then the I think there were punch statements, then there were questions. So everything was part of the daily task which I need to complete. So I think that helped me learn the concepts easily because I was not I am not from a network security background or a SOC background. So those domains were very difficult for me. But understanding those domains on a daily basis helped me a lot. So CST platform version 3.0, and when I was using it was 2.0 as well. So I think
Mhm.
it was really great who helped me prepare myself in first 100 days, and then the last 45 days I kept on practicing the mock test which was given by Manoj sir in the Udemy. Then there were mock tests given by Manoj sir in the CST platform. So that was really challenging, and it just opened my weak points where I struggled and where I need to improvise. So I used to discuss with Manoj sir on WhatsApp or anywhere he is available. So I used to talk to him that Manoj sir, I'm scoring this much. Is this sufficient? So he used to motivate me as well. Don't worry, your scores don't matter. Keep up the performance. It will go on. So that helped me again. And in my exam day as well, I was like my exam. I still remember my exam was at 11 a.m. and 10:30. Manoj sir was live on LinkedIn that day. I got a notification on my mobile, and I was still watching Manoj sir before going my exam. So
Mhm.
that helped me again. And when I cleared it, I did the first call to Manoj sir. Sir, I did it in the very first attempt, and I'm really happy that in the same family, two people cleared because of you. So I think 100% credit goes to Manoj sir and the CST platform, which he is giving through the Cybernos. So that's all about my journey.
Fantastic. And Shivesh, how do you think the CISSP is going to help you out in your career ahead?
I think during my study also, I used to notice the changes in my work pattern. Like we used to discuss a lot in my meetings and my work. So learning from CISSP is really fundamental plus advanced. So that will help in my daily day-to-day job. Plus, I think this certification is also known as gold standard. So this will help me in my career for sure, in my upcoming leadership roles and my upcoming next ventures. So I think this will be a milestone for me in my career for the next steps. So that's why I chose CSSP.
And would you like to recommend Cybernos to people?
So definitely, yes,
Yeah.
I will recommend Cybernos for the training for CSSP. I mean, I can definitely say if you want to go for CSSP, don't go anywhere. Don't go there. There's a lot of ocean of materials to go for, but don't get confused. Simply subscribe to Cybernos. You will get the benefit, and I think many people do it in 100 days as well. I did it in 145 days in 148th question, but I think people can. I think many of the students have nailed it in 100 questions. So CST platform is really nice, and it will be useful.
Fantastic, fantastic, Sivesh. You shared your experience with us, and guys, and you must be knowing that it takes really a great hard work, dedication, and perseverance if you want to pursue your dream. Many congratulations once again, Shivesh, and all the best. Thank you so
Thank you
much.
so much. Thank you so much, Pratima. Thanks a lot.